Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Tuesday, June 20th, 2017. It's currently 9:30 a.m. and it is becoming an absolutely beautiful day with dry, cool air building into the region as a cold front pushes off the coast. All of our showers are now over the Atlantic and will no longer be a threat for the region. What we will see is basically clearing skies throughout the day with lower humidity and temperatures pretty much where they should be for this time of year, in the upper 70s to lower 80s along the coast and lower to mid 80s in the Delaware River Valley. On the radar, as you can see, the showers are pushing off the coast and will remain over the Atlantic with no threat for rainfall for the rest of the day on through tomorrow morning. On the infrared satellite picture, you can see the cold front is pushing along with clearing skies from west to east building in. This cold front will basically sit off the coastal waters, producing showers well out in the Atlantic, but will have no threat for us. Meanwhile, these troughs will move through over the region, especially for tomorrow, with the threat for a few isolated thunderstorms, followed by very pleasant weather conditions by the time we get to Thursday, with low humidity and tranquil weather conditions. So let's dive into this forecast. For this afternoon, clear skies are expected. Winds from the west are around 10 to 20 miles per hour and highs in the upper 70s to lower 80s along the coast and lower to mid 80s in the Delaware River Valley. For tonight, look for clear skies with winds veering to the southwest at around 5 to 15 miles per hour. Look for temperatures to range from the lower to mid 60s for lows. And for tomorrow afternoon, a cold front will move through with a few scattered to isolated showers and thunderstorms. Look for temperatures to rise into the upper 70s to lower 80s along the coast and lower to mid 80s in the Delaware River Valley. On Thursday, high pressure will build south with clear skies and very comfortable weather conditions. Lows in the lower to mid 60s, highs in the upper 70s to lower 80s along the coast and lower to mid 80s in the Delaware River Valley. On Friday, a cold front will approach the region with a few scattered showers. More humid conditions are expected, with low temperatures in the upper 60s to lower 70s, high temperatures in the upper 70s to lower 80s along the coast, and mid to upper 80s in the Delaware River Valley. On Saturday, a cold front will slowly move through the region with periods of showers. Now we're going to watch to see what happens with the remnant moisture with that tropical low pressure system that's going to be sitting around the Gulf Coast. Now it could become a tropical storm. We're watching it very carefully. If it does, it's expected to make landfall somewhere around Louisiana, possibly as far west as Texas, and then eventually that moisture is going to be drawn up through the Tennessee River Valley and up ahead of this cold front. So the timing of this cold front is going to be very important for Saturday and for Sunday, with periods of showers expected. Now, temperatures on Saturday will range from the lower to mid 70s for lows and upper 70s to lower 80s along the coast for highs, lower to mid 80s in the Delaware River Valley. And then on Sunday, as the cold front is pushing south, look for lows in the mid 60s and highs in the mid to upper 70s along the coast and lower 80s in the Delaware River Valley. On Monday, another cold front will move through with scattered showers expected. Look for much cooler temperatures, lows in the lower to mid 60s, highs in the lower to mid 70s. And on Tuesday, high pressure will be in control with clear skies and very comfortable weather conditions. Below normal temperatures, in fact, will be in place, with lows in the upper 50s to lower 60s and highs in the lower to mid 70s. Remember, this time of year, we should be somewhere between the lower to mid 80s away from the coast and upper 70s to lower 80s on the coast. So with temperatures basically in the lower mid 70s, it's going to be well below normal, but rather pleasant. That is your forecast discussion for today. Thank you for following NYNJPA weather, and as always, stay safe out there.